Welcome back, Harbros, to the Harbro channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have the new dollar days starting tomorrow. Dollar days are back. They never go away. Going through the 22nd. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing and hyping, maybe checking out the merch. But first, how's everyone's How's everyone's spring Black Friday going on now? Still ITC through today. Oh, sorry, through tomorrow. And then for everybody else through Monday, let me know what you've got and let me know how you've done. Harbros, how effective have your lists been? With that, let me know how it went. But let's check out the dollar days and let's see how we're doing. Starting with the Pittsburgh battery terminal cleaner. $1.74% off. Normally $4. That seems like it's gone up in price. 74% off is great. You need some terminal cleaners. You need some. I know your battery isn't pristine, and if it is, well, good on you. Good on you. But you need a battery terminal. And of course, the Pittsburgh lifetime warranty separates it from the rest. Mini pick and hook set, 49% off. That's tough to beat. 8.5 foot by 3/4 inch double-sided mounting tape. Again, one of those things that you need that you don't know you need necessarily, but comes in super handy when you're doing really any type of organization, or I'm sure the Harbros come up with some of the best uses. Gets the job done. Do they mount a light? Computer did not end up dropping into my spokes when writing. Good product for a dash cam. You need one. Using it on a circuit board. Didn't expect it. Never without a roll of double-sided tape, and that's kind of what we expected. That's what we know. $1, 66% off. Let's keep going. Quinn, razor blades, 10-pack, $1, 49% off. Look at this. Ugh, the percentage isn't as great, but Gordon, large snap blade utility knife, $2 is excellent. $2.29, to be honest, is excellent. It is only 12% off, but still a good deal either way. We got the Pittsburgh lifetime warranty 12-inch gooseneck wrecking bar. $2, normally $4, 49% off. We got the 8-inch cable ties 100 pack for $2, 19% off. I'm getting a lot of ideas because I don't know if the Harbros missed it, but yesterday we did our live. We did almost a 3-hour live building a tool bag, the Harbro tool bag for a car. A lot of Harbros joined. There's a lot of great feedback. It's a Harbro built bag. Anyways, Gordon, utility knife. The live is up. You can see it. It's unedited. There was some chaos at moments. Gordon, utility knife, $2, normally $2.49, 19% off. 200 lumen LED super bright flip light, $2, $2.99, 33% off. I feel like these normally start off good for like the first couple of weeks, and they're fun until the batteries run out. And then they just, at least in my household, they just stop being used, and then they're just hanging there, and it's just like a super light, dim light. Change your batteries. Chicago Electric, 1/2-inch by 7-foot protective wire wrap. Gotta wrap it up. $3. Only $3.49, only 14% off. Merlin 1/4-inch steel industrial quick coupler set, 5-piece, $3. Normally $5, 39% off. The magnetic hook set 4-pack at $5 normally, but 39% off, down to $3. Always checking out what the Harbros do with their magnets. It feels pretty obvious. They're going to use them to hang something, but what are you hanging? Used for M4.07 thread. I needed a threaded magnet. These did the trick. Great magnet for crafting. Still give it 4 stars. Perfect little magnets. Look at this. They're holding their impromptu under hood light. That's what the Harbros are known for. Great idea. They're handy to hang lightweight stuff on. Yep, good use. Wait, these are not them. These are them. These are the 65-pound beasts, not carrying their weight. 2 extra ones down here. Makes for easy installation. Those are some lights. That's genius for hanging some lights. I have like an aluminum back awning in my backyard. That's genius. I'm gonna use it for that. It's always a struggle to hang those lights. We keep going. High density foam mini roller kit, 3-piece, $3, normally $4, 24% off. Some Pittsburgh lifetime warranty 7-inch wire strippers. Can we still do mulligans on the Harbro bag? We might. We're gonna have our official list. I'll create our official list. We've already created it. Let's take a quick second to look at our smorgasbord of a tool bag that we built. in our live, and we were right at our budget of $100. We're going away from the dollar days, sorry, but we did have. Did we get rid of the wire strippers? I guess we didn't need it for our go back, but there's some options. These are going to be substituted out. Anyways, we'll keep going. $3, 49% off. Western Safety face shield with flip up visor, $4, 19% off. Storehouse in the House cotter pin assortment, 555 piece, $4, 27% off. We have Bauer 6-inch hook and loop 6-hole pattern sanding disc with zirconia grain 5-pack, $5, normally $649, 22% off. US General 18-inch by 72-inch non-slip toolbox solid liner. Ooh, I feel like most Harbros have a toolbox. We can always use some extra non-slip toolbox solid liner. And if not, use it for your mini toolboxes. 37% off. That's a great deal. Pittsburgh disc brake pad piston compressor at $6, normally $11, 45% off. Warrior oscillating multi-tool blade set 3-piece, $6, normally $10, 39% off. Hallmaster 10-inch solid rubber tire with steel hub at $6, normally $10, 39% off. Excellent deal. A tire in the dollar days is wild. Then we have the Pittsburgh Universal Jaw Adjustable Oil Filter Wrench at $7, normally $12, 41% off. Pittsburgh alert, lifetime warranty, half-inch drive impact socket extension set 4-piece, $8, normally $12, 33% off. Excellent dollar day pickup there. And then for the Tarp Bros, ended on a tarp level, fantastic. We're going somewhere. The HFT 9-foot 4-inch by 11-foot 4-inch camouflage, all-purpose, weather-resistant 5 mil tarp at $9, 30% off is great. Normally $13, and those are our dollar days. Adjustable oil filter wrench. I don't think I've seen one like this. 41% off. Take a flyer. The extension set is great. Tarps are always great. There's some huge discounts here, and then just like 1 or 2 that were terrible discounts. US General liner, great. 7-inch wire strippers and cutter, great. Magnets, always fun. Blades, 19% off is not great. Even the cable ties, 19% off is not too fun. But gooseneck wrecking bar, some razor blade packs, and of course, the top 3 most handy things. You need a battery terminal cleaner, pick and hook set, and the double-sided mounting tape. But we'll keep it simple. We'll leave it at that, Harbros. Those are the new dollar days starting tomorrow. So if you haven't gone to the parking lot sale, or if you're going again, realize we got the new dollar days going on. So new dollar day goodies to fill your cart with if you want to pick up some nice stuff. Anyways, I'll leave it at that, Harbros. Happy harbor freighting, happy shopping, good luck out there. I'll try to give you a heads up for the next live. Again, the live was fun. The Harbros, we had a good time. We just needed some more beverages because my mouth was getting parched. But I'll try to give a better heads up of when we're going to do it because it was kind of on the fly. Again, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.